Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming who you are. Verify the exact account, domain, and group membership so you know the principal that must be granted access. Next, inspect the file or resource ACLs and inheritance. This tells you what the system is actually enforcing. Also check share-level permissions and that the network path is reachable. If you rely on VPN or Active Directory, make sure connectivity and authentication succeed before proceeding to change any settings. Once you know the problem account and the current ACLs, modify permissions with care. Add the minimal required access rather than full control. Apply changes to the correct scope. Sometimes a parent folder has blocking inheritance, so target either the child or flip inheritance intentionally. Make a backup of the original ACLs or export them. Then test with a non-admin test account to confirm access behaves as expected, thereby avoiding accidental privileges. After applying fixes, flush credential caches and sign out so you re-authenticate with the updated rights. This often resolves lingering access denied errors. If problems persist, review security event logs and permission propagation delays. Replication or group policy may take time. As a last resort, inspect the effective token groups and SIDs, or take ownership briefly to set correct ACLs, then return ownership to the original principal. If that fails, capture detailed logs and escalate with the exact error text.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.